Well, now let us start with question number 2. In this question, Jack is attending a quiz. In that, he is giving 5 answers. For each right answer, there is positive marking, and for each wrong answer, there is negative marking. So, total marks for 5 quiz are 25, -5, -10, +15 and +10. So you have to find out what was his total score. So we have to find out the total of all these 5 numbers. So 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. So 25 written as it is, plus of minus is minus. બે નંબરની એક સાઇન કરવાની. Plus of minus is minus. Same way, plus of minus is minus. So -10 plus 15 and plus 10. So I have taken all the positive numbers together and all the negative number together. So adding all the positive numbers, I am getting 50. Negative number minus is plus. So -5 plus -10 is 15. Greater number sign is usually taken. So it is -15. So 50 minus 15 is 35. So the marks scored in the quiz is 35. Now the temperature of Srinagar. Srinagar temperature was 5 degree on Monday, and then it dropped to 2 degree on Tuesday. So the temperature of Srinagar on Monday was -5. So there is a drop in temperature by 2 degree centigrade. मतलब अभी और ज़्यादा कोल्ड हो गया. तो that is normally we are going to take plus -2 और कम हो गया. So temperature on Tuesday is -5, 2 डिग्री और कम हो गया तो plus -2. So -5 -2 plus of minus is minus. So it is -7 degree centigrade. Now the temperature on Tuesday is -7 degree centigrade. But on Wednesday there was a rise in temperature by 4 degree centigrade. So rise matlab we are going to take positive number. So temperature on Wednesday is -7 plus 4. Plus 4 because there was rise in temperature and this was decrease in temperature. So rise in temperature was 4 degree. So -7 plus 4. So -3 degree. Minus plus is minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. Greater number sign. So temperature on Wednesday is -3 degree centigrade. Now the height of plane is 5000 meter. It is flying in the sky at a height of 5000 meters. And the submarine is 1200 meters below the water. अंदर पानी के अंदर नीचे. So what is the total height between the submarine and the plane? It is very simple. You have to add, okay, that is distance between the plane and submarine is 500 plus 1200, that is 6200 meters. Now a person, that is Mohan, okay, deposit some amount in a bank. So the amount deposit is normally taken as positive integer and the amount withdrawn, એટલે पैसा लेके आता है बैंक में से तो इतना पैसा कम हो जाएगा बैंक में. So it is taken as negative integer. So amount deposit by him, by Mohan, was 2000 rupees and Mohan withdrawed 1642. So what is the balance in Mohan's account? That is 2000 minus 1642. So the total balance which is left in Mohan's account is 358. Now Rita from point A, she is going 20 kilometers to the east to point B. The distance between A and B is 20 kilometers. From B, she is going 30 kilometers to the west. Okay, so what is the distance? Find the distance. Okay, well, integer, you represent the final position of A. Okay, and you have to find the total distance. Okay, well, positive integer, I will show you the question. Rita goes 20 km to the east from point A to point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards the west. So from 8, she is going to the east 20 kilometers. From B, she is going 30 kilometers to the west. That is, I have shown you in the opposite direction. Okay, well, if the distance, okay, towards the east is represented by positive integer, okay, that means 20 kilometers will be positive and this is represented as negative integer, so it is -30. So find the position, at what distance she will be from the A. So distance in the west is normally taken as negative and distance in the east is taken as positive. So first she is going 20 kilometers to the east, then she is going 30 kilometers back to the that is 20 minus 30, so minus 10 kilometers. Okay. Now next question, verify a minus b is equal to a plus b. Now the value of a is given to you is a is equal to 21 and b is equal to 18. So I have written the same thing, a minus in the bracket minus b is equal to a plus b. So 21 minus 18 is equal to 21 plus 18. This minus of 18 is of minus b, not of 18. Okay, so this minus is written as our here. Okay, so minus is plus. So 21 plus 18 is equal to 39 and 21 plus 18 is 39. So we have verified that a minus b is equal to a plus b because both the answers are same. Now in question 2, a is equal to 118 and b is equal to 125. So a minus b is equal to a plus b. So 118 minus 125 is equal to 118 plus 125. Minus becomes plus. So 118 plus 125 is equal to 118 plus 125. So it is 243. So again we have proved that a minus b is equal to a plus b. Same way I have done the third sum, a is equal to 75 and b is equal to 84. A minus b is equal to a plus b. 75 minus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84. So 75 plus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84, that is 159. And fourth sum, a is equal to 24, b is equal to 11. A minus b is equal to a plus b. So a is 24 minus b is minus 11. Then b is 11 but it is minus b, so it is minus 11. 24 plus 11. Minus is plus, so 24 plus 11, 35. 24 plus 11 is 35. Both the answers are same. So we can say that a minus b is equal to a plus b. Now you have to write the signs of greater than, smaller than and is equal to. Don't write the signs directly. You have to solve the sums. So here it is minus 8 plus minus 4. So I have solved that sum. Minus 8 as it is, plus of minus. So minus is plus. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Greater number sign, so minus 12. Here minus 8 minus 4. So minus 8 as it is. Minus becomes plus. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Okay, minus plus minus. So 8 minus 4 is 4 and greater number sign. So for both the negative integers, the smaller number is greater. Last year we have told you, I have given you one slogan type. Okay, nano te moto. That means minus 4 is greater and minus 12 is smaller. So this is smaller than this, so I written the sign of less than. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. 15 minus 8 plus 9. So minus 3 as it is, plus 7 minus 19. So I have added minus 3 and minus 19. Minus becomes plus. So 7 minus 22. So answer is minus 15. Plus of minus is minus. 22 minus 7 is 15. Greater number sign. Same way. 15 minus 8 plus of minus. So 15 minus 8 minus 9 is minus 17. Minus plus 8 plus 9 17. Greater number sign. So it is minus 2. Again the answer is minus 15 minus 2. Again nano te moto. That means this is smaller than this. Okay, so the sign will be less than. 23 minus 41 plus 11. So I have taken plus 11 first, plus 23 minus 41. So I added both the numbers. 23 plus 11 is 34 minus 41. Plus of minus is minus. 41 minus 34 is 7. So it is minus 7. Same way. 23 I have taken minus plus. 41 plus 11 is 52. Plus of minus. 52 minus 23 is 29. Greater number sign. So nano te moto. That means minus 7 is greater than minus 29. So the sign is of greater than. Same way question number 4. 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. So let us take left hand side. 39 plus of minus is minus. minus 15. So I am adding both the minus. Okay. Or I have subtracted 39 minus 24 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Now this is 36 minus 52. Okay. Plus or minus is minus is plus 36. So 36 plus 36. 72 minus 52. So answer is 20 plus 20. Now obviously 0 is less than 20. So I kept the sign of less than. Next sum. Minus 231 plus 79 is equal to 51. Minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. So I am adding 79 plus 51. So it becomes 130. Minus plus is minus. So 231 minus 130 is 101. Greater number sign, so it is minus 101. Same way, 399 minus plus 159 plus 81. I have added these two numbers, comes to 240. Minus plus is minus. So 399 minus 240 is minus 159. Now both the integers are negative. Nano te moto. That means 101 is greater than 159. So I have kept the sign of greater than. Now be careful for this sum. Okay, I will show you the sum also, and I will show you how I have done the answer. You just have to use your brain a little over here to find the answer. Okay, so let us see what is the question given over here. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the top step. Okay, the water level is at the 9th step. So let us see this thing. This is first step where the monkey is sitting. The monkey is sitting over here. Okay, and there are total 9 steps to reach the water. So this is water over here. Okay, at the 9th step. Okay, so I have done 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. When there are 9 steps, the water comes in the well, step well, okay, or in the tank. Now according to that question, first he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps. Okay, that means he is going 3 steps down. Okay, so that is going to be taken as plus, and then he comes 2 steps upper. He is coming 2 steps up. So from here, let us see. I am drawing a line to explain you. From here, he is taking 3 steps. That is 1 2 3. So he is reaching at step 4. Okay, so I added 1 plus 3, that is 4. That was his first step. In second step, he is going 2 steps up. So it is taken as minus. So he is going 1 and 2. So he is coming to step number 2. When he is going 2 step up, when he is coming to 4 step down and coming 2 step up, 4 minus 2. Now he is at step 2. Now from step 2 again he is jumping 3 steps. So it is taken as positive. So it is 5. Fourth step, now he is on step 5. He is going back to 2 steps. So he will be on step 3. Same way. Now he is on third step. He is taking 3 steps down. So he will go on 6th step. And from 6th step he is moving up to 2 steps. So minus 2. Now he is on 4th step. Same way. 4 plus 3. He is moving 3 steps down. From 4 he is reaching at 7. From 7 he is moving up 2 steps. So that is 7 minus 5. That is 5. That is now he is on step 5. From 5 he is jumping downward 3 more steps. So he will reach on step 8. And from step number 8 he is going 2 steps up. So I am taking minus. 8 minus 2 is 6. So now he is on 6th step. And he is jumping 3 steps down. So 6 plus 3 9. That is reaching the water at position 9. So how many total steps he has taken? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the frog, okay, or monkey, okay, he is taking total 11 steps to reach the water, okay, in the water tank. Same way, here, now, the question is given to you. Now he has gone to 9th step, okay, he has gone to 9th step. After drinking water, he is coming back. Well, after drinking water, he jumps 4 steps to come out. So when he is coming out the steps is taken as positive. And then he is taking, okay, hello, well, so he is taking 4 steps. So that is taken as minus because he is reaching up. So from 9 step he is jumping to 4 step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So he is reaching to step 5. From step 5 is going 2 step down. So 1 and 2. That means, okay, he is reaching to step 7. Now from step 7 he is taking 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means he reached to step 3. From step 3 is coming 2 step down. That is now he is on 5th step. And from 5th step again he is jumping 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means he comes to top. So how many total steps are taken? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The frog will take 5 jumps to reach, okay, on the first step. Now, number of steps, okay, moved down is represented by negative integer, and number of steps moved up is represented by positive integer. So, see the question. Okay, well, positive represented his part 1 and part 2 by completing the following: a minus 3 plus 2. So you have to reach up till minus 8. Okay, so that is first 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. So 3 minus 1 minus minus plus 4 minus 4 plus 2. Okay, that is 2. 2 minus 3 is 5. So you are going to add. Okay, that is he is taking 3 minus 3. Okay, 6 times he is jumping, or we are taking minus 3. That comes to minus 18. And 2 times it is taken as plus 2. So 2 5s are 10 is equal to 10. So minus 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So my pattern, I have written the pattern as shown you. Same way. Okay, well, or I will show you in a figure form. From step 1 he is taking 4 jumps. Okay, well, 3 numbers. Okay, 3 jumps. That is from 1, 2 and 3. That means he is reaching to step 4. From 4 he is going 2 step up. Okay, so he will reach at step 2. From 2 he is going to jump 3 step more. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So he is going to reach at 5. From 5 he is reaching again to, going to again to 3. From 3 is taking 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So he is reaching at 6. From 6 he is going back to 2 steps. He is going to reach at 4. From 4 he is going to 3 steps. So 1, 2 and 3 he is going to reach at 7. 7 he is going to jump 2 steps back. So it is going to reach at 5. And from 5 he is jumping 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so it comes to 8. Okay, from 8 2 steps again to 6, and then 3 steps he reached to 9. So this what represented in number form. Same way, the monkey again, okay, from inside it is going 5 steps up and 2 steps down. So we have taken, or a 4 step up and 2 step down. So here up is taken as positive and down is taken as negative. So it is 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 is equal to 8. Same thing, from 9, 4 step he will reach to 5. Then 2 steps, okay, from 9 he is going to take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means reaching to step 5. Then he is going down 2 steps again. So now he is on step 7. So again he is taking 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means he reached to step 3. Then he goes back to step 5. 2 steps down. 1 and 2. From 5, 4 steps, 3 steps. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is 4 steps. So he is going to reach on the top. So that has been represented. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4. So the answer is 8. Okay, they are given in the question. The answer is positive. Okay, 8. Well, this one, see. Okay, 4 minus 2 plus, we have to reach up till plus 8. So that was the answer. 4 plus 3 times is taken, so 4 3s are 12, and minus 2 is taken 2 times, so minus 4. Plus of minus is minus. 12 minus 4 is 8. If you have any doubt, please ring me. Thank you.